In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create table in Figma. We're going to use Figma's community to find a ready-made table and bring it into your project quickly and cleanly so you don't have to build one from scratch. Start by heading to figma.com in your browser and sign in if you aren't already. You can follow along in either the web app or the desktop app. Both work the same for this workflow. Once you're in, look for the community section. It's where designers share files and UI kits, and it's the fastest way to grab a polished table. Open community and use the search bar at the top. Type the word table and press enter. You'll see lots of results. If you want to narrow things down, make sure you're viewing files rather than plugins or widgets, since we're importing a table design. Browse a few options and click into a result that looks like it fits your style and use case. On the file page, preview the table to check that it has the number of rows, columns, and header styles you need. Many community tables use auto layout and components, which makes resizing and updating styles much easier. When you've found the one you want, click Open in Figma. This will duplicate the community file into your drafts and open it for you. If you're in the browser, you might be prompted to continue in the desktop app. Either choice is fine. Inside the duplicated file, locate the table on the canvas or in the Layers panel. Select the entire table frame or component, not just a single cell, so you keep the structure intact. Copy it using the standard shortcut or through the edit menu. Now jump to your own project file and navigate to the page where you want the table to live. Paste the table onto the canvas, position it within your layout grid, and scale if needed. If the table uses auto layout, resize from the edges and let the rows and columns adjust automatically. You can now swap in your own text, update fonts and colors to match your design system, and if it's set up as a component, create instances so you stay consistent across screens. That's it. You went to Figma, opened community, searched for table, selected a design, opened it in Figma, copied the table, and pasted it into your project. Save your file, and you're ready to keep designing with a clean, reusable table.